and I'm going to admit it right from the beginning, this is a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm not hiding it. If you want to become a millionaire very quickly, listen up carefully, because I know most people are looking for get-rich-quick schemes, and I'm about to show you one that's going to turn you into a millionaire very, very quickly. Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. You're about to experience some information that might just change your life. Like, comment and subscribe. Like, comment and subscribe. See you on the other side. I want to talk to you about something. This is ultimately, and I'm going to admit it right from the beginning, this is a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm not hiding it. If you want to become a millionaire very quickly, listen up carefully, because I know most people are looking for get-rich-quick schemes, and I'm about to show you one that's going to turn you into a millionaire very, very quickly. If you want to be wealthy, if you want to be successful, if you want to make a ton of money in a short space of time, you've got to understand that the new currency that every single person is speaking in 2019 and 2020 is value. Find the opportunity to add value to people, and automatically you will be rewarded. So I speak about this all the time. If you look at it from a science point of view, you're going to understand cause and effect. If you look at it from a biblical point of view, you're going to understand the law of sowing and reaping. If you want to create success for yourself in a shorter space of time, in a quicker time span, then you've got to understand that your job is to add value to other people. So once you start looking at reciprocity, once you start looking at the law of sowing and reaping, once you start looking at cause and effect, causation, karma, yin and yang, you start to realize that if you lead with value, if everything you do is to empower someone else, then by right, automatically, you get rewarded. So it means go out there, find people that you can add value to. Stop focusing on yourself. Find someone, find a community, find a project that's bigger than you. Put all your time and effort into that one project. Empower someone, change their lives, and watch what happens to you. That's the quickest way to get rich right now. I'll catch you soon. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the other side.